Ki brio na kajat benreu Garo ki basyong basa AKHAF Shnong harilum khasi Hapoh kalama jong ko All Khasi Hills Achik Federation AKHAF. Haka khandro trik uleber hajar pusau kla aipor taiew ya Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council banweng no mardor hukum bam shalong Rangbah Shnong ya kipat Garo AKHAF Shnong ha ka rilum khasi. Ya kini sur jing dawa nagal yang kinong ngelam ka AKHAF kelapan sawajam haga jing elang patba gijat benreu Garo ya ka bela penlong haga Shnong nong spung ka bahap Hapoh ka pilang kata outpost haga distrik Riboy. Lawan manishim bentah kini jing elang da kinong ngelam ka AKHAF Women's Wing ka distrik Riboy bekentum ya ka Sermina di Marak Presiden ka Sunita CH Momen Vice President bat kibe-kibe rukumjo. Habagaran hadian kejing elang patba Manuel CH Marak bat ka Sermina di Marak kilapan pa kejing sokya ka bajor halor kejing uraj dagi bor ka KHADC yak hok sensyar Shnong haki Shnong basyong basa dagi pat Garo ha ka than rilom khasi da ka hukum ban am ailat dagi pat Garo ban bat yak ka kamrang ba Shnong kila kentho teng eru daga boong ba kene garai jang ka KHADC kalak ta mat yong bat penmong yak kejing sngo jong ki pat Garo ki balasyong lasa aki Shnong baper ha rilom khasi nado ki spas nam ki bamenchua bat ki balai im hapadang kejing shong suk shong san wala kidan ki Shnong ki basa kle jat benriu kilaong bakum ki pat nagjat benriu Garo ki mdon kanu kanu kejing sngo ka bede ki Shnong khasi babat Rangbah Shnong hi daki khasi mrahi ki Shnong basyong basa daki Garo de man ailat banlong Rangbah Shnong daki pat Garo amar kumno ansen shar daki wai pat gijat benriu ki bamtip nenang ye kerukom im kalariti kanyam kerukom bat kiwe bagi pat Garo kia tip bat kia bat.
And our demand is we have been seeing that what this KHADC has resolution has passed in the KHADC. So it's a very much sentiment to the Garo people, those who are residing in the Khasi Hills area, southwest Khasi Hills and entire Khasi Hills. The headman power is snatched away by Garos. That is very much wrong. We never tried to snatch away the headman power because since from 18th century we are practicing this and we never harmed to any other Khasi Britons, and today also we will try to exercise the same traditional cultural rights. And we have seen that the KHADC has passed this bill, but this bill, this amendment and this bill is not acceptable, and we will fight if they don't scrap this bill. Then we will also continue to fight for our rights. We are indigenous people. We are living here since from 18th century. We are not foreigners. We are not from any other country. So in other states also, like Tripura, Arunachal, and Assam also, all over in India, we have been practicing very democratically. And here also, being as a own state, we should have practice this, and we should continue, and they should give us. If they don't allow also, we will continue because it's our right. And this state is belong to three sisters, Garo, Khasi, Jingthoh. Why they are bringing this such kind of communal things, this issue? This is very much irritating and very much bad issue for us. So we want peace and harmony, and we want to be good relationship with our Khasi Britons, and they should not continue this bill, and we will not accept this bill. We will go and fight for another issue also. If they don't scrap this bill, we will demand another issue, and they have to give that one. Now we will not disclose that one. We will think all the Khasis, entire Garo people. We will think, and if they want to continue whatever they have passed in this last week, and that bill, then we will think that will be very much a problem for the our Khasi Britons also. Because you see, we are living nearby neighboring Assam. So they must think very carefully.
Here I would like to say that to the government of Meghalaya and the district council, I have one question there. So we the Garo community, so we have right to practice our traditional culture in our village or in the society. So we are practicing this cultural, traditional cultural. So as per our concern, so we have seen that if there is no hetman in the village, so how he will lead the village? So that is the main thing. So here we can understand that, and every community has their head. So I know that Garo, from the Garo community, has their traditional head in the Garo Hills, and here in the Khasi Hills region, it has the Khasi traditional head. So, but one thing that here we want to say that, and we want to explain our grievances that. So, since we the tribal and the community of this area, community of this Khasi Hills region, we are staying here. We are not staying in Garo Hills. So wherever we stay, we have our right to practice our traditional culture. So no one has right to exclude, or no one has right to deprive our rights. So I think there are some like leaders, politician leaders, they are misleading our society. We are living peacefully as brothers and sisters, and some of the political leaders, they are bringing the issue in the August House of District Council, and they are saying that those community could not practice their own like traditional culture. So that is not fair. So wherever we are staying, we have a right to practice our traditional culture. That's it. So from our side, we don't have anything. And on this issue, we don't want to blame anyone, but we are seeking helps from the Meghalaya government to solve this matter as soon as possible. And we, from the organization, we are giving the deadline for 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. So within these 2 weeks, so they should come up and they should solve this matter.